Welcome back to our channel! Now, let's enjoy amazing cosplay of Sonic the Hedgehog's characters. This girl is dressing streetwear, but in the spirit of Blaze. If you like to dye your hair blue, welcome to Team Sonic! This is Amy Rose befriending with Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, where's she at? It looks freezing out there. This is Knuckles practicing some punching. Never would have thought a girl wanna cosplay as Dr. Robotnik. Very interesting. Sexy Bunny Rabbit is in the house. Ooh la la, Rouge is definitely a bombshell. What's up with the chain scotch? Tails is performing some cuteness on the stage right there. The boys is in the little cheeky Sonic's onesie. Shadow looking all fierce. And that was the end already. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to us. Thank you so much for watching.